Good morning students, I am Maushmi Prasad and creator of this channel Digital Generation. This channel is regarding chapter wise preparation for both ICSE and CBSE students. I hope you will get best knowledge and explanation from this channel. Here is an important question from metal and non-metal regarding reaction of metal with chlorine and hydrogen. In a solution of lead acetate, a strip of metal M was dipped. After some time, lead from the solution was deposited on the metal strip. Which metal is more reactive and why? Metal M is more reactive than lead because metal M displaces lead from lead acetate solution and metal M forms its own salt solution. So metal M is more reactive than lead. Lead acetate solution plus metal M gives M acetate solution plus lead. So metal M is more reactive than lead. Metal M is used as a catalyst in manufacturing of ammonia. Name M. In manufacturing of ammonia, iron is used as a catalyst. So now let's see the reaction. When nitrogen gas reacts with hydrogen gas in presence of iron catalyst, this is known as Haber's reaction. Then ammonia is produced. So metal M is definitely iron. Write reaction of metal M with chlorine. Now we will study how iron reacts with chlorine. So we will see that when iron reacts with chlorine gas, then it gives ferric chloride or iron 3 chloride. This is ferric chloride or iron 3 chloride. Write reaction of metal M with hydrogen. Iron does not react with hydrogen because iron is slow reactive metal and so it cannot force hydrogen atom to accept the electrons and form metal hydride. Thus, there is no reaction of iron with hydrogen. Give the uses of lead and metal M. Lead is used for making car batteries. Iron is used for making household utensils and factory equipment for construction purposes. Thank you for watching my video, and if you find my video useful, please do like and share my video and subscribe my channel to get the latest update of my videos. And if you have any doubt regarding this topic, comment below. I will try to answer as early as possible.